See, I'm starting the class. First is in relation and function, what type of questions are coming? MCQ questions, one or two will be there. One from relation, another part is from function. Okay. So first set up your mind one more time, last time, to understand what is relation and what is functions. Understood? And what is different type of relations like reflexive relations and other type of functions, which I am going to relation and function part means reflexive, symmetric, transitive, whatever type relations are there, everything I will be discussing today. Okay, are you all ready for this? Now let's start the session. Understand this part nicely. In group, you message that first revision class started for relation and function. Now look here, beta. First part is, this is CBSE 2023 question. What is CBSE 2023 question is, first part I need to see from which chapters where I am taking. Okay, fine. I also have to be ready for Pythiums. So now look here. Sadhana is here. Sadhana did not went school. Now look here, beta. First, now in reflexive relation, symmetric relation, transitive relation. Today is a very important day. 5 to 6 live stream and full relation chapter we are going to finish. Okay, along with explanation. Very good, beta. So in relation and function, we are expecting this time how many? Yes, you say everybody to join. Look here, beta, one time I am explaining, after that first part is in reflexive relations and all. One last time I am giving you a clarification. Understood or not? In that clarification section, children, listen very nicely. In that clarification section, I am telling you one thing. Whenever any relation is coming, the relation is exactly coming from, it is a subset of A cross B. Understood? So whatever element relation will be having, it will always be in an ordered pair. Ordered pair. So what is the meaning of ordered pair? Relations will have elements like this. A comma B, C comma D, like that. Okay. Now this A, B, A will be from A and B will be from B. This is shortest revision I am giving you. Okay. So A will be from A and B will be from B. So that means there are two different sets. So it can be like this also. From same set also, A cross A is coming. That means A will be coming. Then here A will be coming from A and B will be coming from B. This means that A and B both belongs to A element. Understood or not? So A set is having both. So this is the first basic idea. Got it? Now, how many type of reflexive relations how many type of relations are there? So in types of relations, so relation can be written as how many types? Tell me. The relation can be written as, first one last time revision doing so. Relation types, one time I am discussing. Sivaranjani, just 1 minute, wait, beta. So relations will always be presented as R along with x comma y, such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B, since, understand or not? So here x belongs to A, y belongs to B, and this x comma y is exactly what? X comma y is a relation. It is a relation. This x comma y is an element which will be belonging to relation. Got it? So here it is also written as x r y, means x is related to y. So these are some ways of presentation of relation. Good evening, Dharunesh. Good evening. Understood. Now, beta, relations is of how many types? First is identity relation, which we have to know. That part only I will discuss. Identity relation. Second is reflexive relation. Third one is symmetric relation, the relation which is very much needed, that I am discussing. Then comes transitive relation. Okay. So these are relations, reflexive identity. Empty relation is there. Null relations are there, understand, or void relations are there. So they are different type, but which one is most usable for us? Antisymmetric relation is also there. Antisymmetric relations. Antisymmetric relations. So today is the final revision, so please note down what is most needed, beta. What is most, Shivaranjani? Just I'll start, beta. What is most needed here? The most needed part is relation understanding first. So what is the first part we understood? Relation R is a subset. Relation R is a subset and it will always be belonging. So R is a subset of A cross B. Understood not? R is a subset of A cross B. That is most important and you must remember this. R is a subset of A cross B. R is a subset of what? A cross B. R is a subset of A cross B. This is one part I have discussed. Another part is relation XY will be this few informations you write. What is needed, you write in your note. Final revision, it will be helpful. Okay. How much is needed, that much only I am going to give you. Unwanted extra questions, this thing, that thing, this, that is not needed. Understood not? What is needed is you along with your perfection and answers. This much you understood now? Now how we are going to talk about identity relation. See, first I will explain what is the difference between identity relation and reflexive relation. Identity relation and reflexive relation. So now understand what is the specific difference between identity relation and reflexive relation and how you should avoid doing mistake. Got it? Many times I am telling you, this time finally you remember for board examination point of view. So if A cross B is having these elements, just understand the situation and then you write. So here it is coming as 1 1 2 2 3 3. A cross A I will write. We know. So that it will become more easy for you. 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 2 1 3 2 3. All elements are there because A is having 3 elements 1 2 3. So A cross A will have these many elements. A cross A will have how many elements? 3 into 3, 9 elements. How many it will have? 9 elements. How many it will have? If a set is having 3 elements, then how many Cartesian product it will have? Sadhana, Shivaranjani, Darunesh, be very specific. Whatever questions I am asking, you are supposed to answer my question immediately. This is not only for offline students, this is for online students also. You be very specific and start answering the question. If a set is having 3 elements, how many Cartesian products possible? Be very attentive. How many Cartesian products possible? Very good. So how many Cartesian product possibles? 9. How many I have written? I have written less. So how many Cartesian products are possible here is 9. So 9 Cartesian products are possible. So now relation, you check. In relation, if it is written like 1 1 1 2. Now what is the difference between identity relation here, identity relation and reflexive relation? So what is the specific difference between reflexive relation? So what is the difference between identity relation and reflexive relation? If a relation is written like this, 1 1 2 2 3 3, only this much, no other element should be inside. There should be no other element. Trust me. Will there be any other element? No. There should be no other element than 1 1 2 2 3 3. So if A is having 3 elements, 1 2 3, then relation must have 1 1 2 2 3 3. If A is having 2 elements only, 1 comma 2, then relation must have 1 1 2 2 only. Understood? So if B is having A comma B, then relation must have AA and BB, no other elements. Me, myself, no other elements, only this much it will have. Then it is called as identity. This is called as what? Identity. Now, reflexive relation on behalf of identity relation, what it is exactly showing? So, if relation is written as 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and then 1, 3, 2, 3, extra elements are present there. Extra elements are present. Extra elements are here. Then it will be called as reflexive. But what is the major need? This 3 has to be there. This 3 in identity also, this 3 in reflexive. But what is the major difference between identity and reflexive relation is where identity element only takes same type elements, reflexive relations take extra elements. Did you understood first time very clearly what is the specific difference between identity relation and reflexive relation? Is it clear to you? Santosh, understood or not nicely? So this is the major difference between identity relation and reflexive relation. Did you got this point? Did you got this point? So this is the major difference between identity relation and reflexive. Will you remember this? Got it? No doubt. He's all alone. I'll post in group so that your parents will come to know. I wrote students of grade 12. Is it done, beta? Clear? So this is the first part. Sadhana, this part I hope everybody understood. Clearly give thumbs up that okay, I'm going to proceed. That means all the identity relations are reflexive. All identity is reflexive, but all reflexives are not identity. Understood? So what conclusion we have done? All identity can be reflexive. All reflexive cannot be identity. This is the major difference we have understood. Now we will go for Santosh. Did you understood? Clearly understood or not? All reflexive identity, all identity reflexive or all reflexive identity? Say all reflexive identity. Which is correct statement? All identity reflexive, but all reflexive are not identity. That is the major difference. Understood or not? So this, if MCQ question will come, we will answer like that. So now what is the meaning of symmetric and anti-symmetric? Now we will go for symmetric and anti-symmetric. What is the difference? Now symmetric relation and anti-symmetric relation. Okay, symmetric relation and anti-symmetric relation. So if somebody will ask you about symmetric relation, then what we can say, beta? See, like A cross A is having elements like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Then along with it is having 1, 2, 2, 1, 1 3 3 1 2 3 3 2. Done. How many are coming? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is A cross A pair. Understood? Now any relation R is having 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3. Understood? R1. Understand very clearly. And another one is having 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1. Third one is having 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 3. Now among this 1, 2 and 3, which one is symmetric? Come on, check. Everyone start answering the question. Among this 1, 2 and 3, which one is symmetric? Option 2. You are thinking that option 2 only is correct answer. Correct? Correct answer is 1 also and 2 also. Why? Correct answer is 1 also. See, if you will turn this again, it will remain same. Na? So that means 1 comma 1 belongs to R. If you will reverse it also, 1 comma 1 belongs to R. So like this type of numbers is not only reflexive, it is symmetric also. Understood? It is identity also, reflexive also and symmetric also. Understood? So it is what? So first we will find it is reflexive also and symmetric. Now this one is what? A comma B. What is the situation for symmetric relation? They are saying कि if A comma B belongs to R, then B comma A belongs to R. So this is the most important situation. A comma B belongs to R, then it's reverse. B comma A is also belonging to R. So this is the reverse situation. A comma B belongs to R means opposite to that, B comma A will also be belonging to R. Understood? So this is situation. But here beta, what you are going to say? So this is also satisfying. This is also satisfying. Which one is not satisfying? 1 comma 3 belongs to R, but 3 comma 1 is not R3. 3 comma 1 is not in R3. So this is the situation. This is not at all symmetric. Understood? I hope clear cut understanding generated. Santosh, note down. Santosh, final moment, write everything. And this is the most important situation for symmetric relation. If, what is the statement? If A comma B belongs to R, say with me, A comma B belongs to R, then B comma A belongs to R. Understood? So if A comma B belongs to R, then its opposite will also be belonging to R. Vishwa, please don't divert your brain. If possible, you switch off your phone and then focus, because this is the most important crucial time. I will not give you revision again and again. Please. Darunesh, are you there in the group? Is it done? Now look here, beta. We will go for the next one. Please kindly check this one out. Is this done? Is it done? Okay. Now come on, check this one out. Next part we are going to do, because this is called as symmetric relations. In symmetric relation, it is not needed that most of the time all the element has to be there. If AB is there means BA must be there. If CD is there, then DC must be there. So opposite reverse part is there. Okay. So now Next question is कि when we are going to solve, the next part is कि when, how we are going to talk about antisymmetric relation. So if A comma B belongs to R, understood? Then and B comma A belongs to R, then A must be equal to B. Means this part is there, its opposite is also there. That means A is equal to B. This is the most important part. Sadhna, Darunesh and Sivaranjani, three of you, again I am telling you, listen very carefully. Antisymmetric is not in CBSE syllabus. Okay. First thing I am clearing it, that antisymmetric is not in CBSE relation part, but yet it is important. So please kindly remember this part, that if A comma B belongs to R and B comma A belongs to R, then A will be equal to B. This is antisymmetric relation. What it is called as antisymmetric relation. Did you understood, beta? What is the meaning of antisymmetric relation? This video is going to be very important video for everybody. Got it? Anytime you are seeing this, you'll get the entire idea. So one by one, video numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 and playlist of relation function, final relation function playlist I am making. Okay. Now beta, this is done. Symmetric, antisymmetric we understood, identity and reflexive we understood. Now we are going to understand transitive. Most of the mistake is done in transitive only. Got it? Because transitive people are having problem. Now here I want some of you to answer my question. If A cross A, wait. Here I have already written. So now I am going to take this section only for help. Now look here, if transitive relation will be acceptable for you, how we are going to talk about transitive relation. So there are two type of transitive relation. First I am going to explain you what is the condition of transition, that is transitive relation. Transitive relation says that first, if A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, then A comma C belongs to R. Understood? That is A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R. That means beta A comma C belongs to R. Santosh, listen very nicely, both of you. A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R. That means what beta? A comma C belongs to R. This is transitive. Got it? Now how we are going to write? Any relation R is given as 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1. Is it going to be transitive? Check. No. Don't give a blind statement until and unless you are not sure about it. Everybody, online children, please kindly check and confirm and inform. Is it going to be transitive relation? Okay, Santosh is telling yes. Shakti? Yes. Very good. Santosh? Praveen? Vishwa? Just think, is it going to be transitive? First, Vishwa, listen carefully. Relax out and then you answer the question. You check here, beta. 1 comma 1 is there, na? If 3 times also, I will repeat 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1. Always it is going to be transitive only. So 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, they are called as isolated transitive. Understood? So if any relation R is given as 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 3 and nothing else is given. So first, so it is reflexive. Correct? Second, what we learned? Symmetric. Now we are learning it is transitive also. And it is antisymmetric also. Understood the major things? That it is not only reflexive, symmetric, it is also transitive. And it is anti-symmetric also. What it is, beta? Anti-symmetric. Anti-symmetric, why? Beta, because just now I told. Now, what is the situation of anti-symmetric? If A comma B belongs to R and B comma A belongs to R, then A is equal to B. So A is equal to B only, na? Both elements are equal. So that means it is symmetric also, reflexive also, and transitive also, and anti-symmetric also. Now, what is the meaning of transitive? See, look here. Transitive, it is 100% transitive. Why? Isolated transitive. Isolated means nothing is common also is a case of transition. Understood or not? So that is isolated transitive, or we can only use the word transitive. So beta, this is also transitive. How? Look here. This one we will say 1 comma 1 belongs to R. 1 comma 2 belongs to R. So now this two cancel. Now in this situation, you cancel this two. This one and this one cancel. Then what is coming? 1 and 2. Is 1 comma 2 present here? Yes. Understood or not? Now we will check this one. 2 comma 1 belongs to R. Correct? Now 1 comma 1 also belongs to R. Now this and this cancel. Then what is coming? 2 comma 1. Is 2 comma 1 belongs to R? Yes. So this is the way. Last and first cancel. The remaining is coming, is present in relation, means it is called as transitive. Transitive is only going to create problem. If transitive is nicely understood, means it will fetch nice fruits. I hope you might have understood this one. I hope you might have understood how to go with transitive elements. Correct, na? So this is the way to handle transitive elements. I hope you got it understood nicely. So this is the case of transitive elements. So transitive relation will be coming. These are transitive elements, and they will be the relation generated by them will is called as transitive relations. Understood? Shivaranjani understood. I don't want any single mistake by you in the final page, Shivaranjani. 80 out of 80 means little part also we will clarify and we will clear. Got it? Sadhana, Shivaranjani, mentally get ready now that we are going to go in that state where we can answer the questions to that level. Did you understood? And beta, when three are together, R, S, T, R, what are three together? R, reflexive, S, symmetric, and T, transitive. If these three are together, it is called as what? Equivalence relation. You see, E is coming. So R, S, T. If all the three are together, it is considered as what? Reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. When all the three are together, it will become what? What it is called as? Equivalence relation. What it is considered as? Equivalence relation. I hope you might have understood. Equivalence relation part is most important, and equivalence relation section we are going to do it very carefully. Done? Clear? Yes, absolutely. Now we will start solving questions. Understood? Now for questions, there are certain important points that need to be understood also. How many reflexive relations possible? How many symmetric relations possible? How many transitive elements possible? That formula also I gave you. But in MCQ sessions, we will be discussing it one by one. Equivalence, number of equivalence also. Okay? Are you all ready? Now start answering the questions. Children, now online children get active because reading part is over. Now solving sections are coming. Okay, come on, start doing it. A is having two elements. Quick. Now your test starts. Hereafter full test is coming. Now beta, these are questions which is going to give you test. Then case studies will be coming. So okay, Shivaranjani has given first answer as B. A is having then reflexive relations on A. How many reflexive relations are possible? हाँ बेटा 0. Okay, let's check how many are telling How many reflexive relations are possible? 0. So beta, first is you check how many elements. First I will teach you this questions. Reflexive relation formula, right? Number of reflexive relations possible in a relation, for that formula is there. Okay, write down. Number of reflexive relations possible number of reflexive relations number of reflexive relations possible. Understood? So number of reflexive relations possible will be what? First I am writing the part. Check this one out. First beta, if a set is having n number of elements. How many elements? N number of elements. We'll start from the beginning. Okay, write down all the formulas. Total number of relations possible, reflexive relations possible, symmetric relations possible. That formula now I am giving you. Got it? So first, a set is having a set A having n elements. How many elements are there, beta? N elements. Okay. Then number of relations possible. How many relations are possible? Number of relations possible is 2 to the power n square. Write down. Number of relations possible is 2 to the power n square. Number of relation possible is understood or not? So number of relations possible will be how many, beta? 2 to the power n square. If A set is having how many elements? N number of elements. That means what? A set is having n number of elements. That means relation is subset of A cross A. And this is having how many elements? N number of elements. Then total relation is how much? 2 to the power n square. How much it is coming? 2 to the power n square. Very good, Shivaranjani. No, so one problem is there. So this is now how many reflexive relations possible? Reflexive relations. Number of reflexive relations possible. This is number of relations possible. This is first part. Very, very important. Second part. Number of reflexive relations possible. Write down the formula. Number of reflexive relations possible is 2 to the power n square minus n. Number of reflexive relations possible is 2 to the power n square minus n. Understood. Next is total number of symmetric relations. Number of symmetric relations possible. Number of symmetric relations possible. Number of symmetric relations possible is 2 to the power n plus 1 by 2. Number of symmetric relations possible is 2 to the power n plus 1 by 2. Understood? Santosh? 10th today ACS they went for writing examination. Paityams returned back, now they are asking time. Now look here. Number of symmetric relation, what is the formula? n plus 1 by 2. Done? Now beta next. So this is total number of relations possible is 2 to the power n square. Total number of reflexive relation. Total number of symmetric relations? n plus 1 by 2. Now beta here you tell me now. Everyone stop. Stop. Now our question is this one now. We have got all the formulas. Now beta now here in this question now they will ask how many empty relations possible. How many empty relation possible in this? Shivaranjani, how many empty relations possible? How many universal relations possible in this case? How many empty relations possible? Huh? How many empty relations possible? One. Because there is one possibility when the set will be totally empty. How many universal relation possible? One. So empty relation, how many possible, beta? Sometimes they will play game. It is one. Universal relation, how many possible? One. So empty relation is also one. Universal relation is also one. Understood not? Empty relation is also one. Universal relation is also one. Anything? Note down. Note down. Antisymmetric relations. If in case you are writing any competition exam, so antisymmetric relation is 2n square minus n. Same as that of reflexive relation. Same as that of reflexive relation. Did you note it, beta? Ma'am, message, I don't know what to reply. Universal relation means all elements inside. A cross A is having how many elements? Na? If all the elements are inside means it is universal relation. What it is called as? Universal relation. Now look here. I'll explain you. Universal relation and empty relations also. But you will be keeping in mind na? If you will have any confusion, what you will do? You will immediately watch today's video. I will tell Mansi aunty to put date in that. Date and number one video for revision. Number two video for revision. Number we will put means you will get ideas. Correct now? So now look at this part is over now, beta. So now empty relation, what it is called as? Yeah, chapter also. Chapter. See today thumbnail what auntie will be making. In that thumbnail she will write relation function first revision date along with topics. Understood? Chapter. So now look at. Beta A is having two elements, 1 comma 2. Then what will be A cross A? It will be 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1. Then now if a relation is not having any elements, it is called as empty relations. Understood not? Now a relation will have all elements 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1. So here in this case, this and this both are same now. That means R2 is equal to A cross A. This case when it will come, it is called as universal relations. What is the meaning of universal relation? Universal relation is that relation when A cross A will become equal to R2. A cross A will become means whatever set elements will be there, it will become equal to R2. It is considered as universal relation. Now confusion is there? No. So how many empty relations possible? One. How many universal relation possible? One. One only. Only one case will be there when relation will become equal to A cross A. When only one case will be there when relation can be empty. Understood? See, what are relations? Relations are nothing but subsets of A cross A. What is relation? Subsets of A cross A. So if somebody will ask you this question, now nicely answer this question. What is relation? What is relation? Relation of A cross A. Relations are subsets of A cross A. So how many subsets are possible? That many relations possible. Understood? Note down it very nicely. How many subsets are there? How many subsets are there? That many relations possible. That many relations possible. This is a very bold statement I have given. Understood? How many subsets possible? That many relations possible, because relations are nothing but subsets of a set. Understood? So here set is A cross A. What is the set here? A cross A. Did you understood? Okay. Shall we go for the next part? So this is done. Now we are ready. So what is the answer for this question? Now you are ready for answering the question or not? How many elements are having? How many elements are present in A? I. How many elements are present in A? 2. That is n is equal to 2. Number of reflexive relations formula? 2 to the power n square minus n. So 2 to the power 2 square minus 2. So 2 to the power 4 minus 2. So 2 to the power 2. Answer is coming as 4. So option is 4. Did you learn it nicely? We'll go for the next one. Shivaranjani, you are absolutely correct. Now we will go for this question. Come on, start solving the question, children. Now take this as an examination question. Children, listen me carefully. Take this as examination question. Now look here, everyone, please pay attention here. R is a relation in the set, and this is CBSE 2023 question. Don't miss this question, children. Don't miss this question. Relation is given. How you are going to first write the relation? See, how many elements are there? That is not your target. Shivaranjani, start answering the question. A, B, C, D. What answer is coming? I want to know. Come on, check this answer and tell. See, first work with relation and then. So first, children, now understand this. This is the last time we are going to understand. So please, come on, go for it. Don't miss this opportunity. Huh? What is the answer? Shivaranjani is telling the answer is B. Let's work with this. Now, what is the question here is, what is the question actually given to you is, कि R is a relation in the set N given by this. So, what is the relation given? Children, first focus here. Now, you tell me one thing. A is equal to B minus 2. What is A, beta? A is set of, it is coming from set of natural number. So that means relation is a subset of n cross n. Got it? So what we will put here, if we will put here B is equal to, then we will start putting these values. Understood? To get A value. So if I am putting B is equal to 7 here, A is equal to 7 minus 2. What is coming? 5. but here it is not coming 5. So this is wrong. Now I'll put here in this relation A is equal to B minus 2. So instead of B, I am putting 8. So 8 minus 2, how much it is coming? 6. Is it 6? No. Understood. Now we will put this one. Check. We will put A is equal to B 8 minus 2. So A is coming as 6. This is 6. So B is the answer. Just a simple substitution. Absolutely correct, Shivaranjani. Just a simple substitution and we will be getting the answer. Everybody understood or not? Trick. Substitute B value and check, is it coming equal to A? Santosh, listen very carefully. What you have to do? Substitute B value and make it equal to A. If it is coming means it is which relation? Relation only. Understood? Coming. We will go for next question. We have started and your time starts now. This question I will teach you very properly, but go for it please. MCQ means you can't waste more than 1 second or 2 seconds by seeing the question and then analyzing the question and finish it within 30 seconds. 30 to 40 seconds is more than enough. 30 to 40 seconds is a very big challenge. So let's see. Shivaranjani, yes, she yet came up with answer. That's called a very cool effect. Very good, Shiva. What about the other children? You please give the answer. That's the most important part. Please give the answer. Now here, can you check relation is exactly coming as what? See, look here. Our relation is coming as x comma y such that xy belongs to z and x square plus y square is less equals 4. Who cares about x equal to less equals 4? Correct now. First we will make equal to 4. So what we will write? X square plus y square is equal to 4. Means whatever value you are substituting, it should be less equals 4. So how we are going to, in brain, how we are going to analyze? Domain they are asking. Domain means, what is domain? When you are writing x comma y, the first element is what? Domain. The second element is called as codomain. Understood? The first element is called as domain. The second element is called as codomain. Understood? So now beta they are asking domain x. Got it? So if we will put x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 100% it will make it equal to 4. So minus 2 square will also become 4. Minus 1, y part will be dependent, 0, 1, 2. So which is a complete set? No, because it is integer beta. X and y are integer. Remember this part. X and y are integer. So since x and y are integer, so 100% positive and negative, all values will be exactly coming in that. So definitely understood not? So B is the correct answer. Why? Because look here, you need to understand why I told that this is the answer. How I told that this is the answer. Come on, children. B or C? B. Check this one nicely, beta. How? Look here. This is x square plus y square is coming equal to 4. So if x you are taking minus 1 whole square. Correct now? So minus 1 whole square. Then it will be minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 4. So 100% the value will be less. 100% the value will be less. So whatever values are there, mismatch, we are going to make it. So what is the domains? Domains are inputs. What are domains? Inputs. So your inputs will be coming as minus 2 also, minus 1 also, 0 also, 1 and 2. All domains will be coming. Understood or not? So did you understood this part? Come on, quickly say. Shivaranjani, Sadhana, everybody, please kindly tell this. Is it understandable? Done? So now we are going to do the next part. And this question belongs to you. Again, Yet another question which came in examination. Previous one understood na beta? Domain means whatever value it should be less than 4. Now, beta, next class, next part, what is the question? Darunish has given the answer 1, comma 2. Let's see. See, look here. A relation R is there. This relation is there. Which of the following ordered pair in R shall be removed to make it equivalence relation? Which is creating problem. See, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 is there. Only what is the criminal? 1, comma 2. So that Darnish has given the answer 1, comma 2. Is the Darnish and Sivaranjani both have given the answer 1, comma 2. Okay. Now we will go for the next question. And your next question is question number 5. Come on, children, start answering question number 5. Chalo, Santosh. Start, beta. Once you start answering, na, confidence will feel. You will feel confidence. Check. So now look here, x is equal to 1, 2, 3. A relation R is defined in R is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, comma 2, comma 1, comma 3, 2, comma 2, and 3, comma 3, 3, comma 2. Then minimum ordered pair which should be added in a relation. See this question, do very carefully. Minimum ordered pair. Minimum ordered pair. So what beta we are going to do? Minimum ordered pair. Search and say the answer. I don't know. Come on, check minimum ordered pair. How many you are going to add there? Okay, I'm moving. Come on. See, miss, it should be added there to make it what? Reflexive and symmetric. For reflexive, 1, 1 is needed. Absolute. Very good. So now 1, 1 is needed. 1, 1 is needed. Very good. 2, 2 is there. So 3, 3 is needed. After that, 3, 2 is there means 2, 3. Then 1, 3. 1, 3 is there means 3, comma 1. Absolute. Very good. So answer is C. Super answer. Very good. Shivaranjani also answered. So this is exactly C answer is there. Now you are feeling confident. Now look here. Go for this question. Once you start solving beta, you will feel confident. This question you know. Just now I taught you the formula. A is having how many elements? B is having how many elements? 2. 3 into 2? 6. But where you have to write 6? What is number of relations? Number of relations is nothing but number of subsets. Number of relation is nothing but number of subsets. So number of subsets is nothing but number of relations. And that part formula will be what, beta? Number of relations are nothing but number of subsets. And beta, what is the formula? 2 to the power 3 into 2. So 2 to the power 6. And 2 to the power 6 is how much? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Revise 64 is the answer. Understood or not? So what is the correct answer? 64 is the answer. 2 2 is a 4, 4 2 is a 8, 2 is a 16, 32 and 64. Understood? So that is 2 to the power 60, 2 to the power 4. That answer is exactly coming as 64. Okay. Now look here, this is another question. The relation are defined in A as 1, 2, 3. This carefully solve the question, please. Domain and range they will be asking, so carefully solve the question, this one. And trust yourself that you can do it. Allow your brain to think. Formula for function I will give you, Shivaranjani. For function time, beta, in function when I will teach, that time I will teach you how to find number of functions, number of into functions, number of onto functions, beta. I know that part also is important. So in the right time when function we will touch, that time I will teach you. Okay, don't worry. Children, everybody remember one thing. NCRT, exercise questions of relations, must practice one time. I have given you classwork notes now in that. Understood or not? NCRT one time, you need to read that part. That's it. Just one time you finish that. Now, better look here. What is the question? Relation are defined in the set A is equal to this. If this part is there, what is the answer? Yeah, domain, how many elements will be there? And range, how many elements will be there? I'm waiting. See. Hey, see, understand. All are correct only now. Check this one out. See, 1 square minus 1 square. How much coming? 0 is less than 5. Correct. 2 square minus 2 square. 0 is less than 5. 2 square minus 1 square. 3. 3 is less than 5. 1 square minus 2 square. Minus 3. Modulus of minus 3 is 3. 3 is less than 5. So, beta, here now you need to understand. Did you got that trick or not? So, first to understand the trick part. So, this part is what? 2 comma 1. So, 2 square minus 1 square. What is coming? 4 minus 1. That is coming 3. Is 3 less than 5? Yes. Did you understood how to attempt? Now, next one is 2 comma 3. 2 square minus 3 square. How much coming, beta? 4 minus 9. That is 5. 5 can be here equal to sign is there. Na? So, also correct. So, that means this statement is a true statement. If we will reverse the order also, listen nicely, beta, Santosh. If we will reverse the order also, what is R inverse? R inverse means 1 comma 1 coming, 2 comma 2 coming, 3 comma 3 coming. Here 2 1 will become 1 2. 1 2 will become 2 1. 2 3 will become 3 2. 3 2 will become 2 3. Beta, after taking reverse, reverse is satisfying the situation or not? Yes. How? Check and take anyone. 2 square minus 3 square. How much it is coming? 4 minus 9. How much coming? 5. 5 is less equals 5. So also this statement is also true. This statement is also true. What is domain element? 1, 2, 3. What is range element? 1, 2, 3. So domain and range is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is also there. But range is coming 5. Is there any situation range is coming as 5? No. So option is This is false because they asked which statement is false. If you got the confidence, which statement is false? Now you are understanding how to solve relations questions. Till 1 hour you studied thoroughly. Confidence coming or not? How to answer the question. And MCQs, beta, you'll be able to do. Trust me. Next question, beta. Chalo, your question only. Try. Absolute. There is no other word related to it. Before online children, people have answered. A relation in a set A is called dash relation. Each element of A is related to itself. I always used to say me and myself. So option will be coming as A. Reflexive relation. Easy, yeah. Come on, go for this question. This is for your exam also, because some questions they will give easy also. We'll do all type of questions. You need to understand, beta, how many questions we are doing. Not trust me, it is more than enough to solve questions. Like this only they will give board exam. From where they will give? Last year questions, na? From there only it will come. A relation in a set on a set A is called as 1, 2 belongs to R. Check. 1, 2 belongs to R. 2, 3 belongs to R. Cancel this one, Santosh. So what it is coming? This, that means 1, 3 belongs to R. This is which type relation? Very good. So the answer is C. Very good, Shivaranjani. The correct answer is coming as C. C. Very good. Now please don't talk. This is a very important question. Many times I taught in class. I will not say anything. Number of relations possible. Today I will teach you for the final time. This video will be with you, so you will remember this part. Number of equivalence relation possible. How many equivalence relations possible? Come on, this part again and again I taught. Very good, Shivaranjani. That's the part, beta. That's the one. So this is exactly most important. And you have done it very nicely. Super. See, how to find number of equivalence relation. One time thoroughly I am teaching, so that this video will be present with all of you. So you people will be able to get it. Now look here, beta. First work is what we are going to write. We will write element set. So S, how many possible there? Can you say? S cross S will have how many elements? 3 elements are there. Understood? So 3 means what and all possibilities are there? AA, BB, CC, AB, AC, BC. Understood? So 9 elements will be 3 means 3 into 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still some elements are missing. Which elements are missing, beta? AC is there. Which part is missing? AA, BB, CC, AB, AC, BC, and then CA, CB. That means all done, all set. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still one is missing. BB, BC, BA is missing. Understood? Now, beta, how many equivalence relations possible? First equivalence relation will be what? Only AA, BB, CC. 100% it is first equivalence relation possible. Second equivalence relation, AA, BB, CC will be there. AB and BA only present there. Correct? This is also equivalence. This is also what, beta? Equivalence. Third one, what will be possible? This 3 will be there. And then BC, CA. Fourth equivalence relation possible. This will be there. AC, CA. Fifth will be possible when this part is equal to R5. R5 is equal to S cross S. That is universal relation, and universal relation is always equivalence relation. Universal relation is always equivalence. I have given a very bold statement again. Universal relation is always equivalence. It will be reflexive also, symmetric also, and transitive. So how many relations possible? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of equivalence relation is 5. When it will have how many elements? 3 elements. 3 elements in set. So, but if 2 elements will be there, means if S is having only 2 elements, then how many number of equivalence relations? Say only 2. How many will be there? 2. Wait, we will solve this one also. 2 will, because maximum they will ask for 3. Before, after that 4 means it will be taking more time. So they will maximum ask for 3. 3, a set is having 3 elements. How many equivalence relations possible? 5. A set is having 2 elements. How many relations possible? First you find S cross S. What will come? AA, BB, AB, BA. Done. So first to R1 will come as AA and BB. Second R2 will be same as that of S cross S. So how many equivalence relations possible? 2 only. Here how many equivalence relations possible? 5. So 2 and 5. Did you got this jackpot question? This is also, these are the types of question that is coming in board exam. Understood? From which chapter? Relations chapter. Today you are thoroughly studying or not? Every day if you will study, sit with me for 2 hours to 3 hours, will you learn or not maths? But you have to be present. Mentally you have to be, okay, fine, I have to study. Now beta A. A relation is number of relations containing this. What are reflexive and symmetric but not transitive? This is a very good question. Try solving. This time you solve in note. This time you solve in note, please. Which option is going to be the correct answer? Come on. See, listen. These type of questions must not be left. Option 3, Vishwa, without solving, don't tell me, but this only you remember. First you check there, first you read the question, Vishwa. Without reading, if you will do now, 100% you will fall into wrong answer. First you check A is equal to how many elements are there? 3. Understand nicely. Praveen, Vishwa, Santosh, understand nicely. Yeah? You are telling B as answer. You have to draw, write and say me first. Write and show me. I will tell you where it is wrong, which is correct. Shivaranjani, check this one out, everyone. Now listen, beta. Check this part first. What they are telling first, see, understand the words. Don't write and explain in 1 mark question. In rough, you have to do. Okay, Shivaranjani is also telling as B. But Shiva, answer is wrong. Shiva, answer is wrong. Now analyze and tell me the answer. Come on, check this one out. A is coming as how many elements? 1, 2, 3. Then number of relations containing 1, 2, 1, 3, which are reflexive, symmetric, but not transitive. Okay. So first, so right now only we have solved one question. What was the question? Equivalence relation. Correct now? But the problem is it should be reflexive. It should be symmetric, but it should not be transitive. This has to be remembered. It should not be transitive. So shall we go for that type question? See, 1, 2, 1, 3 must be there. 1, 2, 1, 3. So we can write 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Done. Now we are putting 1, 2, 1, 3. Now we have put 1, 2, 1, 3. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2 is there. Correct? 2, 2, 2, 2 is there. Remember, if we will take reverse of 2 also, this part is there. 3, 3. We have to take 3, 1 also. Remember, 3, 3 is there And if we are doing little mistake here means story over. So that means what? Is it transitive? First check. Is it transitive? 1, 2, 2, 2, see. 1, 2, 2, 2, cancel, 1, 2 is there. This is transitive. We have to make it non-transitive. What we have to make it? Non-transitive. Very clearly, your concept, your understanding should be very clear. What they are asking, that only we are going to serve. It is symmetric, 100%. It is also reflexive, but it is transitive also. We have to remove the word transitive. So can I write here? Any element can I add? Can I add 3, 1? Then is it going to be transitive? Check nicely. One, 3, 3, 1 is coming means transitive is coming 100%. 1, 2. Any one single, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Already 6 added. Already 6 added. Check very carefully. Already 6 added. Is it transitive or not? You tell me. It is transitive. Still transitive. But they are telling it should not be transitive. Then what we are going to remove so that it will not be. See, they told to put 1, 2 and 1, 3. We put 1, 2 and 1, 3. So 3, 1, the moment we are putting it is not satisfying. It is satisfying. So can I put 2, 3? The moment we are putting 2, 3, so 2, 3 is there, then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. Then 2, 3 is coming. Correct, na? Check here. This is the best shot, boss. Only one set will be there. How many sets will be there? 1. So the correct answer will be 1. This situation will be only 1. See, where reflexive symmetric. So the number of reflections. So only one situation will be there, which is symmetric and reflexive. But is it transitive? No. That's the clear shot you have to answer. So Shivaranjani, answer is A. Beta, very cleverly, Shivaranjani, for getting 80 out of 80, one single mistake will take you away from 80 out of 80. And the dream will be shattered. So one single mistake you have to rectify. Did you got this point? So this is 1 hour, 13 minutes of your class. How are you feeling? Now look at total number of containing 1, 2. Yes. Now tell me. How many possibilities will be there? Again, see, like this type of questions now, they will keep asking you. There you in the examination hall, you will not sit and do experiment. Like I will do this, I will do that. Simply, A is having how many elements? How many equivalence relation possible? How many equivalence relation possible? 5. When 3 elements are there, how many equivalence relation possible? Okay. Very good. Darunesh has given the answer how much? B as answer he has given. So how many equivalence relation possible here is 5. But beta here in 5 sets, one set will become 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. After that another set what I taught? 1, 2 and 2, 1. Another set what I taught? 2, 3, 3, 2. Another set what I taught? 1, 3, 3, 1. Another set what I taught? When all 3 will be present there. Correct, na? Last set, what I said? One set I told R1 will be having only this. R2 will have all these 3. With all these 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. With all these 3, this is there. Then here again, this is there. This is there. So last set will be what? When all elements will be there. Done now. So that means in how many sets 1, 2 is present? Check. This set 1, 2 is present. And this set 1, 2 is present. So how many times it is present? 2 times. What is the correct answer? 2 times. Did you got it clear? Now you understood. So if a set is having 3 elements, how many equivalence relation possible? 5. In that, 1 comma 2 coming how many times? In 2 relations. Relation number 2 and relation number 5. 2 times only 1 comma 2 is coming. Now if I will ask, how many times 2 comma 3 coming? Good afternoon, Marvin. So how many times it is coming? Come on. Yes, Marvina. 2 times. Very good. How many times 1 3 will come? 2 times. Did you understood? This is the most important. Now you got the point now. Anybody will, is it not tough or easy relation chapter? But whenever with this video you will see, you will get all the clarities. Okay, I'm keeping it till here. Just take a break and then start. Hello Marvin, sorry, just now I'm finishing the session. Again, I'm going to start. Go for a break, eat and come back. Thank you, Dharanesh.